A rare photographic archive from the Nazi occupation of Greece is now in the possession of the Greek state. The material, known as the Hoyer collection, contains 226 photographs from the Second World War. Among them are images from the final moments of 200 Greek communists who were executed by Nazi forces in Athens on May 1, 1944. The photographs were taken by German Wehrmacht officer Hermann Hoyer, who served in Greece between 1943 and 1944. The images show prisoners being transported by truck from a prison camp and arriving at the firing range of Greek capital. Some photographs capture moments shortly before the execution. Others show the moments that shots were fired and the aftermath. The existence of the archive became known recently when it emerged that a collector was attempting to sell the photographs online. Greece's Culture Ministry purchased the collection for about 100,000 euros in order to prevent the material from entering the international market. Greek Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis said in a social media post that the collection is a unique record of Nazi brutality.
Έχει ήδη ξεκινήσει μάλλον να αντιμετωπίζει την συλλογή με την διαδικασία η οποία προβλέπεται και η οποία απαιτείται για τα μνημεία. Προστασία, συντήρηση, διαφύλαξη, επιστημονική τεκμηρίωση και εν τέλει η ανάδειξή της, η προβολή της ευρύτερα, δημόσια, ώστε να μπορεί να χρησιμοποιηθεί όπως όλα τα τεκμήρια της ιστορικής και πολιτιστικής μας κληρονομιάς στο δημόσιο λόγο και στην εκπαίδευση.
The archive also includes photographs from the daily life of the German officer in occupied Athens, as well as images from his personal life in Germany.